Look at that. See? Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about 5 crazy smartphone applications that you have to try, like this one. This one is called Fluid Simulations. If you go to Play Store or App Store and write Fluid Simulations, you will find an app and that will let you do this. How crazy is that? Look, and this is like, you just keep playing with it. I'm from a software engineering background, and the thing that I'm not able to understand is, how were they able to do it? Like, this is so crazy. And I just keep playing with it, look. And that's not even the best part. The best part is, if you go to the menu, you can actually set it as a live wallpaper. That's right, as a live wallpaper. And that's it. Once it's set, then you have this home screen and just play, bro, play. That is so sick. You have to try this one. The second crazy application that I didn't know even existed up till now is called AR Ruler. It's an augmented reality-based measuring application. So it uses your camera to measure anything that you want. So for example, you can point it to a box, a cylinder, a portrait on the wall, your door, whatever table that you want to measure, you point your camera towards it and you can start measuring its height, its width, its length, and it gives you multiple options. Of course, there are some options that are locked for premium version, but I think it's pretty dope because, first of all, just think about the technology that they are using, right? You can measure an object accurately in meters, centimeters, feet, whatever you prefer. And secondly, there are really good applications to it. For example, you want to hang a portrait on the wall. You can measure the portrait and then you can, mark the portrait accordingly and, hang it on the wall just with your phone. Up till now, that was not possible, but thanks to augmented reality, it is now. The third application is called Wi-Fi AR. Have you ever faced a situation where you changed your room and all of a sudden your Wi-Fi signals became weak? Well, Wi-Fi AR is actually able to use augmented reality to track your Wi-Fi signals. So you can basically sit in a room that contains the maximum signals. How dope is that? And I think this is an application that everybody needs because, right now we are all too much into the digital space and Wi-Fi is pretty much as necessary as oxygen. So Wi-Fi AR helps you track your Wi-Fi signals, your ping for the gamer boys, and you can basically go and find a place that has the maximum signals and the maximum Wi-Fi strength. This is really crazy. You have to try this one as well. By the way, if you have found this application beneficial or interesting, then a sub to the channel would be helpful. And also drop a thumbs up so that it can spread to more people. The fourth app that you have to try is called Enhance Fox. It's an application that can enhance not only your photos, but your videos as well. That is really cool. I'm assuming it uses some kind of an AI application or an AI model to enhance it. You can colorize your black and white photos. You can also take your old photographs and you can de-scratch them and you can basically download a digital copy of them. And that's not even the best part. The best part is you can actually animate your face. I'm assuming it's using some kind of a deep fake or a deep neural network for my techies, or a deep learning model. For the first time, when you have to use it, you upload a selfie, it downloads a model. That model is around 145 MB. It is good, but it looks kind of creepy. I tried it on my photo, it literally freaked me out. But yeah, still, it is something that is really, really dope, right? And it's all free. That's the best part. The fifth application that I didn't know existed up till now is called Hypocam. For all of my photography enthusiast people, if you are too much into taking black and white photographs, whether it's landscapes or portraits, whatever, I think Hypocam is probably the best application that you can use. No editing required, nothing. You just download the application. You can change the filter, whatever you want. It basically applies some different contrast setting and some different brightness and exposure settings. But I think it looks pretty dope. Like I've tried capturing a few photographs of, of neighborhood as well as some portraits, and this is seriously dope. Last but not the least, this application is only available on App Store, and I've tried some alternates, some substitutes on Play Store, but they were like literally crap. Like honestly, crap. This is called Night Eyes, and it's for the people who have ever wondered how cool it would be to actually have a night vision in your camera, because that's exactly what this application does. Like, I'm not even kidding. Look at that. And it's so cool. Like, even if you turn off all the lights, it's just super dope. I think it's super cool. Like, there were some objects that you cannot see even with your human eyes in the night, but I was using Night Eyes and I could see literally everything. And that's even like considering the fact that it's an iPhone 5S. So just imagine if you try it on your iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be super dope. Seeing some of the companies develop some of the dopest applications on the planet, it's too good to actually see how far we have come in terms of, technological advancements. I just hope that with time, Android also becomes a bit better, because only an Android user can understand this pain. Check this video to see what I'm talking about. All right, I'll see you next week.